Imagine improving your brain's performance just by using a candle and a chant. Sounds intriguing? Today, we're uncovering the secrets of the Om Candle focus technique that might just boost your IQ. Welcome to our journey where ancient wisdom meets modern science. We're exploring the Om Candle focus technique, a practice rooted in traditions yet supported by contemporary neuroscientific research. In today's world, our attention is under constant siege. From the moment we wake up to the buzz of an alarm, through hours of digital notifications, to the evening scrolls through social media, our minds are relentlessly pulled in different directions. This digital overload not only scatters our focus but also significantly diminishes our capacity to engage deeply with tasks, learn new information effectively, and make thoughtful decisions. It's a phenomenon that affects all ages and walks of life. The challenge is compounded by the modern workspace and educational environments that demand multitasking and rapid task switching, which research shows can increase stress levels and reduce productivity. Moreover, the physical environments we spend our days in are often filled with distractions. Noisy open offices, cluttered spaces, and even our own homes can be environments where it's tough to find mental peace and clarity. And let's not overlook the psychological impact. This constant state of distraction contributes to higher levels of anxiety, feelings of overwhelm, and even chronic stress, which can further erode our mental faculties and overall health. Given these challenges, finding effective ways to regain control of our focus and enhance mental clarity is not just beneficial. It's essential for our mental well-being and cognitive performance. The Om Candle focus technique is a fascinating blend of simplicity and depth, harnessing the power of sensory integration to enhance mental clarity and focus. To begin, you'll need a quiet room and a candle positioned at eye level about 3 feet away from where you are seated. The process starts by focusing your gaze softly on the candle flame, ensuring you're relaxed yet alert. As you fix your eyes on the flame, you start to chant Om at a slow, steady pace, drawing out each syllable. This technique is grounded in the practice of Trataka in yogic traditions, where steady gazing on a single point is used to improve concentration and mental focus. When combined with the vibrational sound of Om, this method stimulates the auditory cortex while calming the mind. The repetitive chanting and focused gazing help synchronize your brain waves, shifting them from the busy beta state common during day-to-day activities to a more relaxed alpha state. This shift is crucial for enhancing cognitive abilities, as alpha waves are associated with reduced depression and anxiety, increased creativity, and even potential boosts in IQ. Furthermore, this technique engages the prefrontal cortex, the area of the brain responsible for executive functions like decision-making, problem-solving, and regulating attention. By regularly practicing the Om Candle focus technique, you effectively train this part of your brain to be more efficient and resilient. Not only does this practice enhance cognitive functions, but it also promotes emotional stability. The calming effect of the flame combined with the rhythmic chanting helps regulate your emotional responses, making it easier to manage stress and maintain mental well-being. With consistent practice, the Om Candle focus technique not only sharpens your focus but also transforms your cognitive landscape, paving the way for enhanced mental agility and a more vibrant intellectual life. The Om Candle focus technique is more than just an exercise. It's a transformational practice that empowers you to harness your mental potential and achieve greater clarity and intelligence. Why not give it a try and see the change for yourself? Start today, and don't forget to share your journey with us in the comments below. For more insights and techniques, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon.